Hello everyone, so today I'm going to show you how I painted this little potted tree using watercolors. So let us begin. For this I'm using Camel Artist watercolor cakes and my water brush. So I've taken some brown and I've painted a little trunk. Now I'm taking some dark green, painting the darkest side of the tree. I'm making sure that my brush strokes are facing downwards to indicate the leaves. Now I'm going to add a little bit of yellow as well to show the lightest part of the tree. It will be more visible once the paint dries. I'm adding the pot now. So I thought of adding a Bohemian Moroccan style pot. That's why the blue and white. And now I will add the soil for the tree. Here I thought that the tree looked a little small, so I'm going to add more leaves, make it more fuller. I'm adding leaves on all the sides. I really enjoy painting such bits and pieces of nature. I find it really relaxing and calming and therapeutic. So now that I'm happy with the way the leaves are looking, I'm going to just darken the trunk a little bit and then we're all done. So I hope you enjoyed watching me paint this tree, and if you did, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share, comment, all that stuff, and thank you for watching.